Free and unlimited lip sync with the best lip sync tool?
Psst! Want to know how to get Dreamina completely free with unlimited generations? Here's the trick nobody's talking about.
1. Use a VPN to set your location to India. 2. Sign up for a new CapCut account. You can do this from the Dreamina website. 3. Turn off the VPN after setup. 4. Boom! Free and unlimited.
Unlimited power with none of the billing. The Video 1.0 model gives you the frames to pick from. First and last. The Seaweed model only gives you the first frame. But it still rocks. And the lip sync tool, absolutely top tier. Nothing beats Omni-Human.
Ha ha ha! Oh man, this is so easy, even Butters could do it. Ha, Kenny, you're so poor, this is the only plan you can afford. Ha ha!